Welcome back to this tutorial. Today we're going over Elementor, basic Elementor feature. Let's say this page was built with Elementor. So you go to the page, you click at the top, Edit with Elementor, and the builder will show up. Okay, now everything that you touch, it's a block. And for every element that you select, you have option. So as you can see in the left side, now you have option to change the image, change the alignment, have a caption, styles, size. You have many options. I will not go over all the options. I will just give you a brief overlook. Let's start from here. This is a header. As you can see, as a header, you can change your header. Now I'll make a little bit long. You say, I don't like the blue. You can go in the style, change the color. Probably we set up a style sheet already. So when you click here, you have your default color already in place. Otherwise, you can select a different color. Otherwise, however, I wouldn't change something completely different that will go against your branding look. Now, as you can see, this other element is a paragraph. You can simply select everything and start typing a new paragraph. Okay, this one is an image. Click there, click, select an image. Wonderful. You can also change the column width, just simply drag like that. Okay. Okay, this is a little gray out because it's loading. As you can see, this when you click here, you select the whole section. This section can be moved up and down just in a simple click. It looks it needs some kind of spacing. There are different ways to make spacing. One way is to select the full block, go in the advance, and add some margin, top and bottom. You can also unlock the value and just say, I just want some margin at the bottom, 100 pixel. No, too many. Okay, 50. Okay, now I like much better. This one the same. I go in the advance, I unlock that, I put 50. Wonderful. This one, let's say I want to change the color, the background color with this element. So I go in the style. Right now it's this. I can change to blue. I can change to a custom color that I just want to change right now. Okay, great. Let's say from here, I don't like 3 colors. I want 4 columns. You can right click and create, add a new column. And maybe this one is an image or it can be a text, no problem. You go in this little icon, you click it, and you have all the elements you want to use. Maybe you want a video, so you simply drag a video there. You need to place the URL of YouTube and the video will be there. Maybe the video will not the same size of the photo. That's something else to think about. If you need to create a new section, you simply click this plus at the bottom. You can create a 2-column section, 3, 4, different size column. Very simple. You can also duplicate a section. For example, you want some kind of gallery, even though there is a element for a gallery. So let's say gallery, there is the basic gallery. So let's say I want to add a gallery. You click this one to delete. You click this one to create a new section, a big section I want. Then I go in my element page, I search for gallery, I move the gallery, and then I select the picture I want. I can multiple select all the picture I want. I can add a caption, and then I can insert. We need to have 4 columns. Okay, we need to have style. See, it's still loading the page. it should give you 4 different columns. Right now it's not. It's just a little thing about my internet connection, I believe. Anyway, this should work, but in case, let me know, and we'll go over again. But that's just how to create this and that. Google Map, you can simply click. So maybe we don't need now this one, we can delete that. You can click, if you click the little icon, it gives you the location. I want Jacksonville, Florida. Okay, great. The zoom can be changed too. Okay, the height can be changed too. Okay. Okay, after you are happy, also because what you see here is what you get when the page is published. So if you are happy with this preview, you can click update and it will go live. Now, now you can click this little button, click view page, and you can view the page. So this page is basically live. If you see a mistake, you can click again, edit Elementor, and you can edit. If for some reason, this is very important because many times this happen. Sometimes maybe your mouse move too quickly also, stuff get misplaced very quickly, let's say mix like that, or you click this little X box, you delete it, but you didn't realize, and you click update, now the page miss some content. If we go here, view page, oh no, the page is all missing. Don't worry about it because Elementor, actually WordPress, keep all the revision of the page. You simply need to go in the history button and look for revision, and then you can see this page was edited 1 second ago, 49 seconds, maybe 49. Let's click it. Okay, so you see my page is back working. Also, as I explained you before, what you see is the page. So if you see something is messed up, don't click update, otherwise the page will mess up. But in case there was something little at the bottom that you didn't see, and you click update, and then you went to go to the page and you see it's broken, you can go back, go under history, go under revision, select the revision that you think was okay, probably this one 49 seconds ago. You can even go, this one was 7 minutes ago. It was the really basic one. We don't like that one. We like this one. So after that, you click apply and you click update, and the page will be back as supposed to be. So this is very trick that is very difficult to find. There is a history button right there. So that's good to know. Another things, when you creating a page with Elementor, you want to double check on mobile. And there is another important button right here. It's called responsive mode. When you click it, you have the option to view the page on mobile. It looks fine to me. On tablet, looks okay. And the desktop. In case you see that you don't like on mobile, you can click it, and then when you see this little icon, it means that you can change this element just for this view, just on mobile. Let's say on mobile I want center, okay? If you don't see this one, it will change for all the views, so you have to be careful. If you go back to style, I don't see anything there. But here I see, especially on mobile, many times there is a lot of space up and down. So this one, in fact, I can see I can put 0. I can 0. It was already 0, so it doesn't show it. and also let's see typography. As you can see, typography it's I don't know, it's mobile specific. So if many times your header are really large on mobile, so you can come here, adjust, they say I want 24, okay, great. And this is gonna be only on the mobile. If you want to do the same on the tablet, you just need to select the tablet, go here and say on the tablet instead I want 35. And then on the desktop will be regular as is now. So again, if I go to tablet, it will be that. If I go to mobile, it will be smaller. So that's very good, good to know. After that, you click update and the page will go live. So anyway, if you have any question, let me know. You can come to the website fisherdesign.com, fisherdesign and advertising.com/support. Submit a ticket and we'll help you. So see you next time. Bye bye.